Oh, hey guys.
Hey.
Today I'm going to be painting on this yummy bear.
And I'm going to paint on this Sloth with the lollipop.
Let's get to it. Okay, we couldn't get open this paint, so I opened it for her. Okay, squishing the squishy. Got it. Okay. Doo-dah. Okay, we're good. Okay, I sped this up, so we're going faster. You can see we're going a little faster.
So we're just painting it, and then we do eventually have to get out to dry it off with the blow dryer. So they're gonna be like bloop in places.
This video itself is like 30 minutes. I'm gonna check to see how long it is now since I sped it up. Okay, we're back. This video is actually kind of long, even when I sped it up. I thought it was gonna be really fast when I sped it up, but it's not that fast.
So that's me when I'm going to get my thing to blow dry. So it's just Harper right now, and she's just painting her bear head in our milk chocolate / Eustace color, and I'll be back in a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're both back. We've both got them blow dried.
And now we're just going in for a second coat.
I need to speed this up. Okay, we're back. And
we never left.
It looks really fast right now. And doo-dah, doo-dah.
But it doesn't really look like I'm going that fast. It looks like you're going really fast.
Mine is going to need so many coats. It's so patchy, and I think I added like 7 coats to this. I just didn't film the head 7 coats. And I leave the frame with my hand a lot because I'm sitting like pretty far off to the other side.
I added like 4 coats, but then I had to do a couple more because I had to do extra touch-ups because I didn't really like how it looked. So now I'm going on to the back, and I'm about to go drying off in a second.
Other people that are like pros at squishy painting would say you only paint 1 squishy in this video and it's almost 30 and it's like 30 minutes. What the heck?
But
we are not squishy pros.
We are just beginners in squishies, and we don't have that much experience painting on squishies. So we basically just do it.
Yeah, we just do it for fun, pretty much. Yep. Hannah's getting out her Georgie color now,
which is yellow.
Yeah. Mariah Elizabeth. Comment down below if you've heard of Mariah Elizabeth.
And also comment down below if you have painted squishies or you just have interest but you don't have the supplies to do it. We might. No, never mind.
On our videos, we're going to ask you a question, and feel free to comment if you want to.
Oh, this is the part where I struggle because the Georgie paint fell off of my paintbrush because I got too big of a hunk of it, and it fell off and it started to get really messy. But don't worry, it ends up pretty good. I had to stop it because I couldn't finish it on camera because I was struggling and I had to focus.
Okay, so she does not like hers. I think mine is pretty good, but I still haven't done any detail work. Okay, I'm back here. I'm doing some vanilla cake color. You would see that if my hand got out of the way.
Guys, just so you know, when I said to comment if you like the squishy thing, the other thing that I said, comment if, never mind, because I changed my mind about it.
Okay.
But yeah. You can comment on the thing about if you want to paint squishies, and you don't have the supplies, or if you do paint squishies and you're a pro, or if you just like
And
painting squishies.
if you have any tips for us, that would be really helpful.
Yeah.
So if you guys do have any tips for us,
It would be really helpful if you could give us tips about the drying process, because
we just use a hair dryer.
Yeah, because we need it to go like quickly. So this is another part where I just like sit back in my chair and do it, because I did that
She
sometimes.
needs to focus.
Yeah, and I don't need.
I'm in frame.
I get out of frame a lot on purpose.
And I'm going in with like this, and I tested out on this paper towel to see, I tested like a bunch of pens out on a paper towel to see which one doesn't work, so I can do like details and small details and like touch-ups with it.
Why does my paper towel look like it's a fried egg? It looks disgusting.
I don't know. And then I took the black one, and there's not that much ink in it, so I'm just like and coloring the whole thing. But then I realized Hannah needs to do black details, so I stopped doing that, and I get out a green one and I test it. And the green one seems to be working good, so I dip it in, and I'm doing details with this green pen.
Just FYI, we might do videos every Saturday, but we also might do it other days because it's summer break for us, so we can do it whenever we want because we don't have school.
Yar. That was annoying.
Yeah. And we might not be able to do as many videos next year because we have a lot of sports, and we also do have school next year. Duh.
Yeah.
Comment below if it's summer break for you guys. No, don't.
You don't have to, but you can.
You might watch.
Always feel free to comment or subscribe. Feel free to subscribe too, or just view the video.
Yeah, please subscribe. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're hungry. This video is taking a long time to do the voiceover. We've been working on this video for like 2 hours right now.
Yeah, and we're starving because we haven't eaten anything.
And really getting close to 3 hours. It'll be 3 hours and 30 minutes that we've been working on this video. And I'll probably do the extra editing, which will take probably another 30 minutes, so 3 hours on this video. Hooray!
No.
So our videos, once school starts back up, might not be as detailed as some of the videos. We're probably not going to do a bunch of painting videos, but I have an art challenge block that we can do some quick art challenges with, so we just keep posting and stuff.
Making videos and squishies is a pretty time-consuming activity to do because you have to like get your paints ready, set your place up. Then it takes a long time for the paint to dry sometimes, and you have to do touch-ups because in small areas you just mess up and get paint on other spaces where you don't want the color to be on. So you have to do touch-ups, and that takes a long time.
We're also doing, we're really messy, so we have a trash bag under it, and it's very wrinkly.
You can see that there's a lot of paint on the trash bag.
Yeah, usually, this is our first video ever that we're probably gonna post, but,
we're super excited about it.
yeah, we're super excited about finally having
We're super
a YouTube
excited.
channel. Yeah, she got it into the red zone on the recording thing.
Yeah, that's my goal. Okay, I won't do that anymore.
Yeah, that's annoying. Okay.
You're annoying.
So mine is looking a hot mess right now, and I'm trying to go in and do extra details.
While we're doing this, we're sitting on the couch because we want to be as comfortable as we can because our couch has a lot of pillows and blankets out right now because in the morning on weekend days, we normally just sit down on the couch and watch TV all day long.
Yeah, but now we have a YouTube channel, so yay!
So I'm literally... Stop.
Yeah, that was annoying.
That was so loud. And
Yeah.
I'm just like laying down with a blanket.
Yeah, she's just laying down with the blanket, but I think it's hot down here, so I'm not.
You think it's hot? I'm cold.
I'm like so hot right now. Okay, mine is still looking like a hot mess. Oh my
You
gosh,
just a
I need.
hot mess. You're a hot mess.
I am a hot mess. Okay.
Well, we're just finishing up a couple details. We're gonna dry him off, and I'm still struggling. He has no face. Harper is finishing up though, so
I'm
she's
finishing up.
and then we're gonna just what?
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I need food.
I am really hungry.
I'm like just laying on the couch under a blanket with a stuffy.
Yeah.
I'm
Okay, there's
cold.
mine so far. Looking fine, not the best.
Mine's gonna
Hurry it up there, fella.
Mine's
Please.
gonna look really good in the end.
Yeah, it looks so good.
Yeah, I know. Mine looks so good in the end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yours just looks so amazing in the end.
Quiet dip face.
That you've never called me that before. Okay, mine. I really like mine in the in the end.
Harper and I like teasing each other. We are sisters. If you didn't know that. Oh my god. You're cuckoo, Harper. I like to tease you.
Okay.
Oh, sorry about that part.
Do-da, do-da, do-da.
Anyways, thank you guys. Oh, it's not finished.
It's not. Getting some black paint in my paint container.
I have so much paint on myself.
You really do. Getting black paint in my paint container and doing the face, which I'm out of the frame for. Hannah's doing her own thing. You can kind of see me doing the face, I guess. But oh my gosh, why am I out of the frame this whole time? It's just so unprofessional.
No one's a professional at anything.
Actually, there are like professional doctors and professional soccer players, but okay, nobody's perfect at anything is what you mean. Okay.
Look at this giant snow cone.
This is when mine starts looking a little bit better.
Yeah, mine's cuter than yours in the end.
And getting out some waffle cone because I'm going to do the chocolate bar sticking out of the thing, that place right there in waffle cone. So instead of like it being like chocolate sticking out, it's waffle cone chocolate. Or it could be just a waffle cone that looks like chocolate.
Harper,
I don't know.
I have an idea.
Okay, do da do da 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 do. Please enjoy some singing. Do da 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 do da 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 do da 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 do da da da. Okay,
Practice it, Harper.
no.
Yes.
Okay, sorry if that ruined our voiceover mode.
I give up.
And paper towels. You can just look at some nice, lovely paper towels. And Hannah needed to focus. So we stopped filming there for a second.
This is Hannah going to bed right now.
And now we're back on, and now she's
bed
going to
right now?
bed. Do da do da 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 do. She's really mad, so you saw her doing the fist thing. Yada yada, yada 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 yada. Do. I'm not stalling. Yada do da ba da ba do. Yada la 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 la. Do da do da do da 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 do da da do da 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 do da da do da do da do da da do da da da. I wonder if I can add wording. I'm gonna try that in editing. It is currently 20 more minutes, and we will have been doing this for 3 hours.
Okay, Harper, stop it. Stop it.
Okay, I am finished with mine, but I'm gonna add just a few last details. Just the cute little nose. Oh, it's cute.
No, it's not.
And then sprinkles in the frosting,
Mine's
and
cuter.
Hannah's going in for the last time. She's going to retry the thing, and we stopped it this time so Hannah could focus again because she really needed to focus. Okay, so here are the finished squishies. We hope you enjoyed this video. Hannah does not like hers. We hope you enjoyed this video.
I do like mine. I think mine's better than yours.
Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time we post. Bye.
Bye.